Okay, let's dive into the source material on front-end development. Our mission today is to, distill it all down for anyone who wants the core knowledge fast.
Right. And to start, the simplest definition of front end is, well, it's everything you see. Everything the user touches and interacts with on a website or an app.
The design, the buttons, all of it.
Exactly. It's that smooth, responsive feeling you get when things just work.
I really like the analogy from the source material. It made the distinction so clear.
Oh, the one about the engine.
Yeah, the back end is the engine. It's the servers, the databases, all the hidden stuff.
But the front end, that's the dashboard. It's the steering controls that you, the driver, actually use.
And that's so critical because, as the research pointed out, you might have the best engine in the world.
But if the dashboard looks like it's from the 90s or the buttons stick,
the product fails. Users judge an app in just a few seconds.
it's all about making it beautiful, fast, and just easy to use.
So if that user experience is everything, what are the tools? What are the foundations?
It really boils down to 3 core pillars. You have to know these.
The mandatory ones.
Right. First up is HTML. Think of it as the skeleton of the page.
So headings, paragraphs, that kind of structure.
Precisely. Then you have CSS, which is all about the style.
That's what makes it look good.
The colors, the layout, the fonts. It makes the skeleton beautiful.
And the third piece, the one that adds the magic, is JavaScript.
That's the brain. It handles all the interaction and behavior.
Like when a drop-down menu opens or an animation plays.
Yes, and crucially, it handles data. It's what talks to the backend engine through what we call an API call.
So it fetches the product information or your account details to display on the dashboard.
You got it. And the actual job, day-to-day, is taking a designer's static image, a UI mockup, and bringing it to life with those 3 pillars.
Okay, so once you have that foundation, the path starts to branch out right into specialization.
A ton of them. You can become a specialist in a framework, like a React, Angular, or Vue developer.
And the source was pretty clear that React is the dominant one at the moment.
It is. It's used by giants like Facebook and Netflix. These frameworks are essential for managing all the complexity in modern apps.
So they keep the app feeling fast without having to reload the entire page for every single click.
That's the core of it. But it's not the only path. You could be a UI UX engineer where you're kind of bridging design and code.
Or the famous full stack developer.
The one who does it all, front and back.
This brings up the big question for anyone listening. How long does it take to get job ready?
And the material gives a really encouraging timeline. We're talking about 6 to 8 months of focused learning.
That's really fast.
It is. It breaks down to maybe 3 or 4 months on the basics, then another few months mastering a framework like React and building projects.
So why start now? What's the big pull?
Well, beyond the high demand and all the job opportunities, it's just so accessible.
You see results almost immediately.
Instantly. You write a line of code and you see a change on the screen. That's a huge motivator.
And that visual feedback loop leads directly to all the freelancing opportunities mentioned, right?
Absolutely. The barrier to building a simple, impressive portfolio is lower than almost any other tech field.
So to boil it all down, front end is that all-important user experience layer.
Built on the foundation of HTML for structure, CSS for style, and JavaScript for behavior.
We've talked a lot about how users judge things in seconds and how speed is key.
Right. So here's a final thought to leave with everyone. If developers have to make sure their sites work perfectly on a phone, a tablet, and a laptop, this whole idea of responsive design, how might that constant pressure for immediate multi-device perfection change how fast new developers need to master tools like React Native or Flutter just to keep up with what users now expect?